How to fix Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight loading, save warning, loading error on PC. 1. Restart your PC, close the game completely, restart your computer normally, launch the game again afterward. 2. Verify game files, open Steam or Epic Games Launcher, go to Lego Batman Game Properties, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 3. Backup existing save files, press Windows R, open the game save file location, copy save files to another folder safely. Hash 4. Delete corrupted save data, locate the Lego Batman save folder, remove corrupted or damaged save files, relaunch the game afterward. 5. Disable Cloud Save Sync, turn off Steam Epic Cloud Save temporarily, launch the game using local saves only, check if the loading error disappears. Number 6. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or .exe file. Select Run as Administrator. Also run Steam Epic Launcher as administrator. 7. Allow the game through antivirus. Add Lego Batman to antivirus exclusions. Disable controlled folder access temporarily. Prevent save files from being blocked. 8. Install latest Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all pending updates. Restart your PC after installation. 9. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your PC afterward. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Lego Batman completely. Delete leftover save cache files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.